Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Itsy Bitsy by Amin and Arfa. So guys, I'm going to tell you my top favorite feeding bottles that are really good for your babies. We have often heard about this term say no to plastic, obviously because it has adverse effect on the environment. But when it comes to feeding bottles, we always opt for plastic bottles because they are very economical and very durable. But do you know these have adverse effects on your baby's health? Yes, plastic is very dangerous for your baby's health, and feeding bottles are one of the main reasons. Plastic feeding bottles consist of BPA, that is bisphenol A. It is a chemical which is a hormonal distractor. Yes, you're right. Plastic consists of many chemical properties which releases when it's sterilized, boiled or served hot. Plastic causes severe infections in babies and it is exposed to many diseases like diabetes, hormonal problems, cancer and many more. Even if you're using BPA free or high-end brands, still plastic is dangerous to your baby's health. Also, if you are using plastic feeding bottles, always change within 1 month and diffuse them. Now to choose a right feeding bottle for my baby was a real struggle, but now I have got my favorites. Now my first great option was glass feeding bottle, but glass feeding bottles were really expensive and non-durable, means it used to break within 1 week or 2, so it was like very disappointing for me. Other great option was stainless steel feeding bottle, but it is again very expensive and to hold them, to grip them was really a difficult task. So after investing a good amount of time, now I have come up with my top 3 favorite feeding bottles that are very economical, easy on your pocket and very long lasting and durable. So guys, I shop all my baby products from First Cry and they have the best range of baby products, I tell you. So go ahead and check out my link. Glass bottle with silicone sleeve. So my first favorite product is Olay Baby's premium glass feeding bottle. It comes in 2 shades, pink and green, and it is up to 240 ml, which is like really good for babies and comes under rupees 399. So this is what the packaging looks like. The packaging is like really good and it doesn't destroy or damage your product, and it starts from 0 month and you can go on. So this is a premium glass feeding bottle which is like really good and it is in your budget. Like if you go for higher end brands, you get a plastic bottle above this price, so getting a glass feeding bottle at this range with a silicone sleeve is like bang on. And Olay Baby is like a good brand, if I am pronouncing the brand name right. Apart from that, this is a good packaging, like a very hard packaging it comes in, and it doesn't destroy or damage your product. So as you can see, it's a very beautiful shade. If you have a boy, you can go for green shade of course, and it is like very durable. It doesn't break. I use it personally and I do recommend it. And the glass inside the silicone sleeve is like really good. This silicone sleeve works in 2 ways, like it helps the glass to not break it. And the second thing which is like really good is I love this bottle when I'm traveling, so I don't have to carry one extra cover bottles that comes to protect your feeding bottles. So this is like really good when you're traveling. It's very sleek, very elegant in looking, and it looks like a very high-end product, so I really recommend it. And the silicone nipple that has been given is like really good. It is a leakage proof material and it works like very good. So I do recommend it to all the moms that are struggling. It is pocket friendly as well as a very good for your baby's health. If your babies are up to formula milk or cow milk, then this bottle stores your milk for a longer time than the normal plastic bottles. So if you like it, do check out my description box given below. Stainless steel insulated bottle. Hey guys, so my second favorite are these Baby Hug stainless steel feeding bottle with twin handle in pink shade. This comes for 545 rupees and 250 ml. So guys, my other option is Baby Hug stainless steel feeding bottle, and we all know Baby Hug is a renowned brand and a very reliable brand. I personally use many products from Baby Hug for my baby, so it is like really good. I was so happy to see Baby Hug launching their stainless steel bottle, because these are like really economical. It comes in a good price, and also it comes with a handle which is like a plus point and a bonus point for me. Also, it is non-toxic and rust free, which is like very good for your baby's health. You can see the descriptions on the packaging itself. The packaging is like really good. So I'm going to show you what's inside the box. So this is what you get inside the box. It's a stainless steel bottle which comes with a twin handle and a very good pink shade. Also, if you have a boy, you can go for blue color, of course. So this is a 250 ml bottle. Also, I would just want to add a point that this bottle is sterilizable, means you can sterilize this bottle without giving a thought. So this is a very good point of these bottles. So this is what the product looks like, and also it comes with one extra nipple, so you can use it alternatively or can store it for another month or any other feeding bottle that you want. I will show you how I use it. So if you guys like this product, please check out my link below, because I give it thumbs up and bang on. Glass bottle with thermo coating. So guys, my other great option is Little's glass sipper. This is a really good product. This is a sipper, but you can change into a glass feeding bottle. I will tell you how in the next video. This is also BPA free, and it comes into a thermo coating, which really helps your milk to restore for further few hours. So this is what the packaging looks like. It is like really good. I tell you can see all the details on the box itself. So this comes for a good amount. You can invest it in a month and can use this bottle for another 2 months. So don't use it for more than 2 months. I personally don't use it. So this comes with a twin handle, which makes it super easy for every toddler to handle this product. And this is a brand by Little's. I discovered this product because I will tell you a short story about it. I was looking for a product that is like non-breakable, because I was pissed when each bottle of mine was used to break, and it used to break my heart, because glass feeding bottles comes like very expensive, obviously. So I was looking for something which is like non-breakable, because I used a few products in UAE when I used to live there, and they were like non-breakable. So I was like, India mein kuch to hoga aisa. But I used many brands, I used many products, but I didn't found that, and my eyes got stuck on these products. I use it like from like past few months, and this is like really great option. It doesn't break. This bottle doesn't break. I will tell you how I use this. I don't use it as a zipper, because my baby don't use it. So I changed this into a nipple that I got it from Baby Hug feeding bottle. You all know how jugadu we all moms are. So actually I use this product from years now, not months. So this product really goes out of stock very quickly, like very quickly. So always keep an eye on them, and you can grab them whenever you get a good deal out of it, because First Try has always good deals on their products. So go ahead and check out. So mommies, I hope you made up your mind, and now you know that what are the benefits of these bottles. And please don't use plastic, I say it once again. So these bottles are like really durable, safe, easy to handle, and let me add one more point, they are very easy to clean. Hope you all liked my video. Please check out my link given below to order these products. If you liked my video, please like, share and subscribe.